Wearing a white shirt. What a combination move. Yes, sir! 13-second shot. Basketball. At Chelsea now is by Gonzalez. Kick out pass. Outside jumper. Boom, boom, basket. Good for 2 points. There's Jewel, inside pass, in a jumper, yes sir! Walang kaabog-abog, 2 puntos yung muling sinabog. 27, or naglalambing pero sa maling batang Jewel, number 14 for team of wearing a white shirt. What a combination move, yes sir! With sa batang figurasyon. And outside jumper, yes sir, good for 2 points. And for team of useless or for team of Christian Nightingale, outside jumper, good tayo. At Jewel number 14, pinagtag yung defender in a jumper, boom! What a move! Good for 1 point, Jewel. And outside jumper, yes sir, good for 2 points. Points for that scenario. Dito mga player for team of Christian Light laban sa team ng useless. Back inside, couple of picking a jumper. Yes sir. 13-second shot. Good for 1 point, Jewel. We have only 5 minutes. 3-second shot left. And outside jumper by Jewel. Boom, boom, basket. Good for 2 points. Wala yung jumper na yun by jersey number 10. At for team of Christian Knights, siya naman ang PPhead. Boom! And couple pick the jumper. Yes, sir! Alas 8-second shot left. And a jumper, yes sir! What a combination by Jewel and number 1. 8-second shot. 5-second shot. Good for 1 point. Nice save. Pero hindi maganda yung pagkakasave ng bola. Napunta sa kalaban. Good for shot. And number 13, Turoy. Good for 1 point. We have only last 25 seconds.
10, 9,
last 20 seconds. 10-second shot. Good for 1 point. We have only 14 seconds. 10, 9, good for 2 points. 5, 3 seconds. And that's the time. For the 10 minutes of basketball action, congratulations, Team